Okay, y'all, today we're gonna do a little bit of HVAC maintenance. Now, you can do this once a month, once a quarter, twice a year, however you see fit. First, we're gonna start by outside fans here. As you can see in the background, I'm gonna use my good friend Mr. 409 here. It's a good degreaser. What we're gonna do, simply spray around the outside of it, let that sit for a little bit. So what you gotta think about, these units on the outside here, they're sucking all the air in. And if they're all blocked up with gunk, dirt, whatever, the system's gonna have to work harder than what it normally does. Harder your system works, more crap you're gonna have to fix, or call your maintenance person and they give you the hours between 10 and 4, have to leave work, take off work, whatever you gotta do to meet them out here. So this is gonna help prolong the life of your unit. I do it on a quarterly basis. Go from there. Now, it might be a little hard to hear. I got the unit beside of me going, but again, take a 409 here. All I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spray it. This is a brand new bottle. Just gonna spray it in here real good. I'm gonna go around all sides of this. And this is hopefully, the goal of this, again, is supposed to get a lot of dirt out of here, kind of clean these vents up, so that way when the system kicks on, it's not having to work so hard. See in there? Look at there. See if you can see that. A lot of stuff built up there. A little bit of rust too. All right, y'all, step 2 of my quarterly maintenance on our HVAC. After you spray the outside vents with 409, get those hosed down, get all that cleaned up best you can. Now it's time to replace your filters on the inside of the house. Now, lucky me, I've got 3 of them. You may just have one, you might have a couple. Also, just my luck, the house that I ended up buying, one of them does have like your standard 20 by 25 by 1 air filter. Other 2 I got, of course, it's just an odd shape, so I can't just get those at Walmart. I gotta go spend about $5 a piece at the Home Depot or Lowe's Hardware to get those. Now, you may be able to go to Amazon, buy these in bulk, get them automatically delivered ever so often. But typically I kind of keep up a calendar of the house maintenance stuff I got to do. And so we're going to, one by one, replace these. and we're good to go till next quarter. So this one right here, and y'all may have a lot of these same issues. So this one here, if it's just like this, you can just take your hand and you bring it open just like that right there. But this one over here, stick your butter knife in there, boom, 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 pull that out, boom, take it out of there. Now that one's pretty nasty there. So we're gonna take old one out, put the new one in, close this back up, and you are good for another month, every quarter, whatever you need to do. Let's go do the other two. All right, here's filter number 2. Take out the old. Make sure you look at the arrows. That's going to tell you which way to put them in there. There you go. Close it back up. And then go on to the third and final one. All right, this is a third one. This is a little bit more difficult because I got this one up in the ceiling, so you got to get a step stool. Again, take your butter knife, open up your flaps there. This one just drops down. The old filter. Take our new one. There we go. Close those. All right, y'all. We're good for another few months. That's the Nick Gates Show. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. Catch you next time.